Hello everyone, today I Anwar with my teammate Piyush and Alka are going to present a solution of a problem statement presented by Ministry of Defense. In this, we have to build a interview platform for Ministry of Defense, DRDO mainly, to tackle the problems that are faced by the interviewer and the applicants.
So there are mainly three problems that we have to solve.
So the problem statement demands we have to provide them a boardroom experience, and as we know, boardroom experience means we have to provide them a very suitable environment. There should be no distraction and other things that could be distraction for the candidate. For the questions, we have a very well organized set of questions from the websites like Glassdoor and Geeks for Geeks, which will also get updated over time, and we have to also see what is the level of the candidate, and according to that we have to provide the set of questions, so that websites will also help in that.
And the other problem is cheating. Applicants usually use multiple windows to give answer, or sometimes they use another means to answer a particular question.
Now let's talk about the user interface and user experience of our website. So for the user interface, we have basically taken inspiration from the official DRDO website. So our color palette mainly includes blue and white, which are the official colors of the DRDO website. And we have added certain pop-up colors in certain areas. Okay. So also we have decided to add certain features for the future implementation in our website. Most of them include in our website are going to be a motion detection software and another software that will help us to detect the distance of the candidate from their laptop, from the camera. Also, there's a subscription-based cloud website called Zigo Cloud. We can use that to record and save previous interviews. We can use those recordings to train our AI model if we want in the future.
So now let me give you a brief intro to the tech stack that we have used. As it is a web-based software, that means it has a server for which we have used Express, for frontend Next.js, for authentication Clerk, for video calling Agora, and to render some of the server-side components like admin portal we have used EJS, and to style each and every component we have used Tailwind CSS.
So that is for now. We will keep rolling some updates for betterment of our platform. Thank you.